Good morning, Kevin.
Guten Morgen, mein Schatz.
Right. And good morning, everybody out there who might watch this German lesson. We are just starting our daily German lesson. And today we are going to learn all those words around a truck. So the first word would be, of course, truck. And truck in Germany is shortened. It is like LKW.
LKW.
Yeah, please say LKW.
LKW.
And it means that it is a Lastkraftwagen. Last is the load.
Yeah.
Kraft means the power.
Yeah.
And Wagen means wagon.
So it's letters LKW.
Yeah, it's a real long word for truck. Yeah.
Lastkraftwagen.
Ah, they're good. Yeah, you're doing good. And the thing which you have in your hands, this is called, in English, it's a steering wheel, right?
Yeah.
In German, it is das Lenkrad. Das Lenkrad.
Lenkrad.
Yeah, Rad means wheel.
Okay. Rad is a wheel.
And Lenken means steering.
Lenkrad.
Lenkrad.
Okay. Steering.
And your foot is pressing. No, your foot.
Oh, my foot.
Foot.
Fuß.
Okay, your foot. Your foot is pressing the gas pedal.
Gas pedal. That's easy. Gas pedal.
Yes, it's not that.
Lenkrad. Gas pedal. LKW.
And this one is your
Kraftwagen.
Sitz.
Sitz. Yeah.
It's not that hard. Sitz. In English it is seat.
Right.
Not really hard.
Hinsitzen.
Genau. Bitte setz dich hin.
Bitte setz dich
Setz
hin.
dich hin.
Setz dich hin.
And do your job. Und mach deine Arbeit.
Mach deine Arbeit.
Genau. Hey, you're really talented guy. Wow. And this one, this glass, this windshield,
Yeah.
is called Windschutzscheibe.
Windschutzscheibe.
Scheibe.
Scheibe. Windschutzscheibe. That's a long word.
Yes, it is.
Windschutzscheibe.
Very nice.
Land. What's the wheel again?
Lenkrad.
Lenkrad. Gaspedal. Sitz.
Windschutzscheibe.
Scheibe.
Und ich, no, not me, but you, ich bin der Fahrer.
Ich bin der Fahrer. That's the driver?
Yes.
Ich bin der Fahrer.
Ja.
So would you say that like a job? Like it's my job, I'm a driver?
No,
or would you say I'm just driving?
I'm just driving.
I'm driving.
Yeah. If you would say it's my job, you would say ich bin ein Lastkraftwagenfahrer.
All right. That's the job title.
Yeah, that's the job title.
Lastkraftwagenfahrer.
Exactly.
The R's are pretty hard. It's back here somewhere.
Yeah, I know.
Fahrer.
Yeah, but you know, I grew up with it, so to me it's not that big deal. I just say do this.
I'm afraid I'm gonna
Yeah, try it.
somebody.
Come on. Yeah, really good. Like growling cat, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, Kevin, I think you deserve a break.
A break?
Yes, you learned a lot of words,
Now
and
I
this
can
was.
have a treat.
Yeah, you may.
What is it? Orange?
Ja, eine Apfelsine.
Oh, it's not orange?
Yeah, you could say it,
Kind of orange
but
and
in German it would be eine Apfelsine. Say it.
Apfelsine. That's
Yeah.
an apple and something else.
Sine. It's something Latin, I don't know.
Like a rotten apple.
No, not the rotten apple. The rotten apple is wirklich Ein verfaulter Apfel.
Der faulte Apfel.
Okay.
Apfelsine.
So enjoy.